In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a payment in QuickBooks Online. This is a handy skill for keeping your financial records neat and accurate, whether you need to correct a mistake or simply tidy up your books. Start by logging into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're in, look at the left-hand menu and click on Sales. This section is where all your sales transactions are managed. Next, click on Customers. You'll see a list of all your customers. Find the customer linked to the payment you want to delete. If you have many customers, you can use the search bar at the top to find them quickly. Click on their name to open their customer page. On the customer page, you'll see a list of transactions. Look for the small drop-down arrow next to the payment you want to remove. Click the arrow and you'll see the option to Delete Payment. Select it. QuickBooks will ask you to confirm this action. Click Delete again to finalize. And that's it. The payment is now deleted. Just remember, once a payment is deleted, it's not easily recoverable, so double-check that you've selected the correct transaction before confirming. Deleting payments properly helps you maintain accurate records, avoid discrepancies, and keep your bookkeeping organized. And that's how you delete a payment in QuickBooks Online. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.